Hey Brainblasters! Before we blast into today's super weird science, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. You're about to meet a virus that eats other viruses. Yup, that's real. What is a virus? A virus is like a super tiny robot invader. It can't eat, breathe, or grow by itself. So what does it do? It sneaks into other living things like human, plants, and even big bacteria and hijacks their cells. Now get ready to meet the Bacteriophage. It's a virus that attacks buried bacteria. Yep, a virus that eats bacteria, like tiny virus superheroes or villains, depending on who you ask. It looks like a space lander with a head full of DNA, a neck, and even creepy little legs. Scientists use them sometimes to fight bad bacteria. And guess what? It was discovered more than 100 years ago by a scientist named Frederick Todd in 1915 and also by Felix D. Herel in 1970. He even gave it the name Bacteriophage, which means bacteria eater. Okay, now for the wild part. Have you ever heard of a virophage? It's a virus that attacks other viruses. Virophages don't hurt us, but they do stop bigger viruses from doing damage. It's like a virus with a virus problem. It was discovered by a scientist named Didier Raoult and his team in France inside a water-loving bug called Acanthamoeba. And they named the virus Sputnik, that just like the old space satellite. What do we actually use these tiny virus fighters for? Use of bacteriophage. Doctors and scientists use bacteriophages to fight superbugs, bacteria that don't listen to normal medicines like antibiotics. Instead of pills, they send a team of tiny virus warriors that only attack the bad bacteria. Use of virophage. Now, virophages, they're still being studied, but some scientists think they could be used in the future to stop giant viruses from hurting animals, plants, or even people. Imagine if one day we could send virophages inside a sick plant to stop virus from destroying crops. That could save entire farms. They might be the tiniest virus fighters in the world, but they could make a huge difference. Who knows? Maybe you will discover the next microscopic hero. So let's blast our brain one last time. Bacteriophage, virus that eats bad bacteria and can help doctors. Virophage, virus that eats other viruses and might help us save plants, oceans, and more. Tiny warriors, giant impact. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.